Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. SoftMaker FreeOffice package is not available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it via importing the PPA repository to your system by running the following command. Then add the GPG key to the repository as shown. Run the command below to reflect on PPA, then install it by running the next command. Now you can search on the system search bar by typing SoftMaker or by icon. SoftMaker will be launched as shown. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.